Dr. Sharmila, what are the types of regenerative treatment?
Regenerative therapies are of multiple types. I'll not get into the details of everything. We will discuss only very common regenerative treatments. So what are the most common regenerative treatments? The very basic treatment uses blood. That means PRP, platelet rich plasma, in which we take the blood, we separate the plasma, we concentrate the platelets, and then we inject it. So this is a very basic treatment. Then from the blood there are various types of PRPs or growth factors that also can be processed. The other one is autologous conditioned serum, which is gold induced, which is called GOLDIC, gold induced cytokine therapy. So that's another very advanced therapy which uses your own blood to induce the healing in the body. We can use bone marrow as BMAC, that is bone marrow aspiration concentrate, wherein we take the bone marrow of patient, we concentrate it and then we re-inject it, which is very rich with healing cells or growth factors or stem cells. The third most important, very important tissue in the body which is abundant, which is extremely rich in stem cells, is adipose, that means fat. So adipose stem cell therapy is now becoming the norm in regenerative medicine. There are 1 ml of fat contains more than 1 lakh to 1 million of stem cells, and so it is rich in stem cells and it is present in abundance in the body. So we can just harvest the fat, we just process the cells out of it and we inject it in the patient's body wherever it is required. Takes about maximum 1 hour to do whole of this procedure. So these are the most commonly used regenerative treatments in orthopedics.